Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, let's start unit number 1 now because we have completed unit number 2 as well as unit number 5, that is the basics of the phytochemistry. So, now we are going to start our important topic of unit number 1, that is the metabolic pathways in the higher plants and their determination. I hope you remember about the plant metabolites. Yes, primary and secondary metabolites. So let's recall a bit. So as we know, primary metabolites, as the name indicates, they are directly involved in the growth, development, and the reproduction of the plant, and without which plant cannot survive. And the examples include, yes, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. But secondary metabolites, again, these are the metabolites which are produced by the plant, and they do not directly involved in the growth, development, and the reproduction, but they are involved in the defense mechanism to the plant. They will provide the defense to the plant. And the examples include, yes, alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids, etc. There are a number of examples of secondary metabolites are there. Now look at this syllabus. So in our syllabus, there is some pathways, means how these metabolites, primary as well as the secondary, they are biosynthesized in the plant. How? In simple term, we can say how these are produced in the plant. Yes, they are produced by involving some pathways. There are number of cycles that are running out in the plant, like TCA cycle, you can say Krebs cycle, etc. Apart from this, there are several pathways that also are functional in the different plants, like shikimic acid pathway, that is in our syllabus, acetate and amino acid pathway, of course. So in this topic, we are going to see three pathways, that is shikimic acid, acetate and amino acid pathway. And what are these pathways? These pathways basically leads to the production of the secondary as well as the primary metabolites that are synthesized by a plant. So I hope you have bit idea what we are going to cover in this unit, that is unit number 1, study of the basic metabolites, the formation of different secondary metabolites through these pathways. We have only 3 pathways in our syllabus, as there are number of pathways that are running in the plant. So we have to focus upon the shikimic, acetate and the amino acid pathway only. So here I am again repeating, primary metabolites are those metabolites which directly involved in the growth, development and the reproduction of the plant, and without which plant cannot survive. They are necessary. And about the secondary metabolites, yes, without which plant can survive. So what is the role of the secondary metabolite? Yes, they provide a role in the defense mechanism. They provide the immunity, basically, you can say in simple terms. They provide the defense mechanism to the plant, and examples include, we have alkaloids, we have glycosides, we have tannins. Already we have covered this point. I hope you remember all the points. So again, I'll thank you, all of you, for your patience and listening. So see you in the next lecture of the plant biosynthetic pathways. Thank you.